This drill, I'm just going to underarm it and lob it up at different places.
Yep.
You're trying to move your feet as if you're playing a spinner and catch the ball on the full or the half volley, trying to get to that 3 metre marker on the ground, so where the tape is. Okay,
yep.
Then you just throw the ball back to me, do it again. Okay? Good. How's that feel as you're trying to do it, Jono?
Yeah, feels good. Taking my head towards the ball.
Yep.
Positive footwork.
Yep, good. What about that one? What did you have to do with your front foot there?
I had to open it slightly.
Yep, good. Okay, so same with this drill, Jono. This is just a drop drill, so I'm going to pop it up just outside that 3 metre mark, and you're down the pitch trying to access either mid-off or mid-on as we do it.
Yep.
Good. You can see here, quick feet, trying to get to the ball, and then as much as he can, hit the ball underneath his eyes. Good. So when I throw it wider, Jono, what are you trying to do here?
I want to actually get slightly around it, just so I can free my hands, get good access. Good. Through cover.
Perfect. One more onside, mate. And on the onside, just opening up a bit, that front foot. Okay, Jono, on this drill, it's very similar to your front foot one, but you're trying to use the depth of your crease back to be able to cut or pull.
Yep.
So I'm just going to do a drop drill, and you're trying to get your back foot behind the second marker here on the ground to utilise the depth of your crease. Okay, here we go. Good. Excellent. Trying to free your arms up, hit it behind point or on point. Good. And keep trying to use that depth, Jono, and back foot. Excellent. Back foot behind that little marker with the elastoplast. Good. Fantastic. Lovely feet. And again, foot back. Nice. Good. Okay, so Jono, to extend from the last drill, you're going to try and place the ball, okay, by aligning your body and using that 3 metre marker to get past again to place the ball at the coloured cone that I call. So if I call yellow, pink, red or white, that's where you're trying to hit the ball as you come down the pitch.
Okay.
Okay? Yellow. Good feet, lovely feet. So what are you trying to do here to access the yellow one? Yellow again.
Just for that one, I'm trying to give myself a little bit of room to free my arms, go slightly around the ball.
Good. Yellow. Excellent shot, mate.
Not away from the ball, but just slightly around it.
Yep. Red. Excellent. Good feet and hands. Excellent distance, mate. So you can see Jono's really quick on his feet. White. So he's getting that 3 metre distance easy by being really quick, keeping his head level. White. Excellent, mate. Shot. Last drill for this, Jono, so that can help you make a decision whether you press back or come forward. So I'm just going to throw the ball overarm. Okay, don't worry about the markers. And then you're trying to, if it's full, get the 3 metres. If it's short, push back so your foot's behind and you're using the depth of your crease behind that marker.
Yep.
Excellent, mate. Good. Good feet. And again. Played, mate. Keep pushing off that front foot to give yourself that depth. Yep, nice. Last couple, mate. Excellent, good. Good feet. So even defending, using that the 3 metres to get to the pitch of the ball is great.
Yep.
Shot. One more, Jono. Played, mate. Yeah, played. Good. Excellent. So, mate. Good.